thriving plant in a desert. This is not what you expect to see in dry, desolate land. A plant that provides light and hope. Yet, this is not a mirage, for this is no ordinary plant. Punj Lloyd Limited, Asia's leading infrastructure builder, has translated another vision into another reality. It has set up a plant to process high-pressure natural gas for power generation in a remote area of the Thar Desert in northwest India, 160 kilometers from Jaisalmer. For all that, it is as modern as any in a more accessible location. This gas processing plant is the most remote such project in the country. It is the most complex too. For here, we have used a multiplicity of skills in electrical, mechanical and civil engineering to create a project that is vitally almost maintenance-free. High-velocity winds, spicules of sand, extreme temperatures, acute shortage of water. The desert conditions called for innovative construction techniques in terms of both men and machines. Backed by our quality and safety practices and our project management, which gave us speed, we took on the challenge for Oil India Limited with Triune Projects Private Limited as consultants to the client. The work was carried out in 4 locations: the Dandewalan gas processing complex, the Tanod gas gathering station, the interconnecting pipeline between the two, a distance of about 13 kilometers, and the Tanod village complex. We carried earth and water for construction activities from locations as far as 100 kilometers. The 4 work areas stretched across 30 kilometers. The plant can process 1 million metric standard cubic meters per day of high-pressure gas from 3 different fields. The gas wells' shut-off pressures are as high as 212 kilograms per square centimeter gauge. The pipes, valves and fittings are class 1500 and 2500. The processing of the gases of varying compositions along with the efficiency of dehydration achieved are reflective of the skills we have brought to this technology-intensive project. We also used a computer-based dual redundancy supervisory control and data acquisition system, making availability of information, interpretation of data and control of the entire complex more manageable. The unmanned Tanod gas gathering station is closely monitored by a remote control system. All control systems and lighting are powered by solar energy with a fail-safe backup for emergencies. Realizing the significance of keeping a check on a project of this magnitude and locational complexity has required intensive planning, orchestrated closely by Punj Lloyd Limited with the project owners and clients' consultants. The 40-room, fully air-conditioned Tanod village complex has been built keeping in mind the demanding work needs of those manning the complex as well as their personal comfort. It is complete with a radio connection to the gas processing station for data and voice communication. The supervisor has ready access to the Tanod station and the gas processing complex. In an emergency, there are provisions for remote safe shutdown of the entire plant by pressing just a few keys. From concept to commissioning, this has been a project that has tested many dimensions of Punj Lloyd's engineering, construction and management skills. Meeting the challenge at Dandewalan has shown why we are Asia's infrastructure builders with a difference.